Alright, to get started on the last installment of the LEGO Creator 3-in-1, my personal favorite, the helicopter. Start, as usual, with some flat pieces here for the base. Throw the red one there on the gray part. Another one over here. Bam. Next we got our little exhaust port looking guys. Throw those on the back. Some little light type things. Remember, as always, green on the right, red on the left, and streamline it a little bit. These will end up being the sponsons on our completed helicopter. That's where we're at so far. And then 3 of these little doubles. We'll go smoke, red, smoke. Here's the nose to our helicopter. Oh, broke the tail off. And we'll go ahead and finish up the cockpit. Set the body aside for a second. Go to work on the tail. Alright, that's what it looks like so far. Take this little guy for the top, little yellow light on the very tip, and we have the tail to our helicopter. Next thing we're going to do is start putting this thing together. Really beginning to take shape now. Start closing up the top of our helicopter. Set it aside again. We're going to do our engines. Each one of them gets a little gray round one-piecer and the old cups. Then to snap those in, I'm going to slide it in, push it in, slide in the front, push in the back. There we go. Got some engines. Looking good. Next, we're going to close off the front of our engines here. And some lights, as always. Green on the right, red on the left. Looks like about all we're missing now is a rotor system. Obviously, that's going to need to spin, so we'll put this bad boy on there. This particular rotor system here is going to have 4 blades. Hold them on and close off the top. With that, we are done. Like I said, my personal favorite of these 3 models, the helicopter. Most complicated and uses the most pieces, but I think probably the most fun. Enjoy.